ito na yung aming hapunan. Meron kaming brown rice. Meron ding white rice. Merong beef.
Mom, this is
Merong
yucky.
noodles.
It's cooked.
Merong sardines.
It's overcooked.
At meron din ito. Salmon pala, hindi pala sardine. Salmon. At meron pang nilaga. Uy, dami pang ano.
That's jajangmyeon noodles.
Jam-jam.
Jajangmyeon.
Jam-jam yun. Jam-jam yun. Sarap. Pinoy tayo ngayon, Pinoy. Ito lang ang iba.
Yeah,
Baka.
no. What are you doing?
That's kimchi. I think.
Kimchi. Kimchi. Pickled labanos.
Radish.
Pickled radish.
Come on, pray. Come on, Gayo.
Wait, everyone, wait. We're not waiting.
Oh, and spam too now.
Give me the, ano.
Ayan na naman. Ang aming mga pangangailangan sa aming katawan. Ayan. Pansit ng Korea. Beef ng Korea. Ayan, meron tayong kimchi. Meron tayong sarsa ng spaghetti. Meron tayong, what is this, mommy?
Ano ba yan? Tofu.
Tofu. Ayan, yun ang aming hapunan ngayon. So, sarap nito. Ito, kakainin ko pansit. Pansit ng Koreano.
Ay, lower. Ay, yung phone ko na under pa, no?
Okay, siyempre rice. At siyempre, ayaw nila ng white rice. Gusto nila ng brown rice. Ayan, ako. Ang kakainin ko, ito. Ito.
Ay, yung basura, lalabas na.
Ito. At saka, wala na. Ayan. Maraming salamat. Paki-like and share naman. Ayan. Ang hapunan ngayon. Na dessert, saging. At sinigang na salmon. Ayan. Sinigang na salmon. Shh! Sa mga bata, walang-wala eh. Tama na yung bread sa kanila. Kai! Kai! Bread and salmon, sinigang na salmon. Sarap yan. Testing natin yun. Uy! Yan ang laman. Yan na. Siyempre rice. Kasi, yung aming ginagamit ay plates na binibili. Yan. Para tapon lang yung tapon. So, tapos ito yung mga prutas namin. May orange, may permason, may saging, may apple, tapos ito yung mga drinks. Yan, yung mga drinks. Okay? See ya!
Yung mga bata.
White rice, brown rice. Oh, what is this?
Hindi, ano, yung mustasa.
Burong mustasa.
Yeah.
And tilapia. And what is this? Michadong baka at saka siomay. Yan ang aming...
Kailangan niya na, dali. Kumain kasi yan ng kanin.
Meron nga pala
Sabaw
kami
ng mitsado.
chili sauce. Yan, chili sauce yan.
Latito, mama. Ano ka ba, Kai? Kylo, come here. Let's eat. You want to stay there? Eat ka ng rice. Kala ko yung rice.
Sarap nito.
With the sauce.
Parang nasa Pilipinas ah. Meron kang tilapia. Okay, hanggang dito na lang. Paki-like and share please. Paki-like and subscribe. Ano yan? Yun. Oh. Fried chicken manok. Chicken inasal. Ihaw tayo, ihaw. Wala pa. Wala pa. Sarap niyan, oy. Ito yung aming hindi sa may likuran, oh. Yan ang aming bahay dito sa US. Yan, laruan ng mga bata. Oh. Pero pa kami isang ihawan, yun pa. Hindi ko ginagamit yan sa manugang ko kasi yan. Yan, no? Ito yung aking griller. Dito tayo sanay eh. Yan yung ating halaman. Napatay. Ano? Usok. Chicken inasal. At saka ayan, sus, Ginoo. At saka meron kaming brown rice. Ayan, brown rice. Ganyan ho ang rice namin dito. Mga health conscious sila eh. Ayan, oh.
Me?
My daughter and my wife.
Not me. I'm your granddaughter.
Oh, you see? What is this? What is that?
Barbecue chicken.
Barbecue chicken. And what is this?
Fish balls.
No, chop suey.
I don't know how to say that.
Chop suey. Yeah, that's right. Chop suey. Chop suey. Yan, kain tayo. Siyempre, may sausawan. May sausawan, suka. Yan. Lalagyan niya ng sauce ng manok. Huh? Where's your mom?
I don't know. Just wait. Or whatever.
Chop suey. Parang puti lahat ah. Wala yung berde ah. Siyempre,
Hello. Hello.
ice water.
Hello, Bobo.
Why are you recording my water specifically?
Hello, Ben.
Ayan, kain tayo.
Go round and round, round and round, round and round. Oh, he's going to go round and
Siyempre, meron
round.
kami sagi
Oh,
amangga.
good
At
time.
meron din pipino.
Oh, you know,
Tawag dito sa pipino na yan.
Go ahead, so you can let him up.
Dad, Grandma, can you give me some water?
Itong aming adobo
No, I need
may
water.
may itlog.
Oh, wait, go round and round, round and round, round and round.
May white rice din. White
Big
rice.
mango.
Where's mom?
I
I'm
think
woken up here.
no, I think we're forgetting something. Where's my
All right, which
tinky?
one do you want? Hello.
I want
Hello, kitty.
this one.
Sit. Talk.
Can you have egg and I just want one and
Boy. Can you give him eyebrows, Dad?
Huh?
Can you give him eyebrows? Kai. He deserves eyebrows.
His hair is gonna grow back. And like, I wanted to restart his first, so I can
Si
actually like,
Bunso, tumira
because
na
I need to
ng
actually
mangga.
take care of him.
Look at your hands. You hold it to Kai. You dirty. You wash your hands personally.
Ikaw, wash your hands.
Hinawakan niya si Kai tapos oh.
Oh, bayaan ko siya. Akin yung balay din.
So sour.
Your ear. I know.
No, it's so sour, Grandma.
How do you change it?